Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing another feature video on an Evo 10. As you can see, this one is a crazy Varis kitted Final Edition Evo 10. So walk around the car, show you some of the mods it's got. Definitely going to forget a few things because as you can see it's got a lot of parts added onto it. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, we'll start with the exterior. So it has the full Varis V3 body kit, so the front bumper, as you can see, also has these canards that are for the Varis wide body kit because the car will soon be possibly going wide body, so he's added these on. We've got some smoked V-Land Audi style headlights with Demon Eye. The bonnet is in this really cool wrap that it's got like a colour change to it. So when I was driving in front of him before, it was like a yellowy gold. Now in the sun, as you can see, it's like a blue purple. I've got an ARC front mount intercooler down there and some hella horns. So I think that's it for the front. Come around to the side. Got the Varis V3 side skirts and all genuine. You can see the Varis in there. I've got this blue pinstriping along the side. Come around to the back, finishing off the V3 kit. We have the rear bumper. Really like with the gloss black and then the pinstriping, and then added on also the Varis carbon fibre diffuser down the bottom there, as well as these which he's added on, which are the top secret RX-7. These added on to give the rear a little bit extra flair. And yeah, as you can see, it is a Final Edition. We have these smoked V-Land tail lights, the carbon fibre duckbill, and then also the carbon fibre gurney flap on the wing. At the top we have a carbon fibre vortex generator, a window visor at the back there. Some weather shields. Okay, so the wheels are TE37s. As you can see, they have this massive dish. So they are 19 by 10.5 plus 12. So pretty crazy setup. And they've been powder coated in this sort of fluoro yellow green colour depending on how the sun hits it. And tyres have some 275 35 19s. As you can see, there's a bit of camber there to keep them inside the guards. Okay, so for the suspension, as you can see, the car is pretty low. So it has some BC extreme low coilovers. And front here it has a white line and hard race camber kit to get this wheel sitting that way. And the rear has an eyeback and white line. So if we look through here, you can possibly see that. So I think that's it for exterior mods and suspension. Move over to the inside. Okay, as for the interior, being a final edition, there's not really much you need to do, because as you can see, the interior in these is a lot nicer than in my car. But yeah, it's got the leather Recaros, got some Recaro headrests added on there, Recaro shift boot, there's the badge there, final edition in Australia, number 149. Have this handbrake, and from the bonnet you might remember we had this wrap which is carried on in the interior all the way around, which looks really cool. And we have this XF Revolution, it's like a gauge reader, multi-readout, kind of like the Torque Pro setup. Gives a lot of different info, revs, boost, fuel, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, there's not really much that you need to do to the interior in this, it's pretty perfect. So I've also got some Morel splits. But yeah, we'll look in the engine bay now, because there's a little bit more in there. Okay, so in the engine bay, we have, as I said at the start, the ARC front mount intercooler. And we have this ARC upper intercooler piping. Have the ARC airbox, which is a very rare item these days. You don't see these a lot. And then we have some HKS blow-off valve piping with the HKS blow-off valve. This is a very unique sounding blow-off valve. Get some clips of that we'll add in at the end. And other than that, there's not really too much, just a nice simple bay making good power. Obviously also we just have these dress-up bolts. Here's our BC racing coilovers to be adjusted. Alright guys, so that's about all the mods that I've been able to list. Obviously, I'm sure I've missed a few things. What I'll do now is I'll put a few clips of the car revving and a few flyby clips so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of the video there. Really hope you enjoyed it. Massive thanks to the owner for showing us the car. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Put a like on the video, and any comments you have down below, just put them below. And if you want to see more Evo 10 and rally art content, then there'll be definitely more videos coming in the future. I'm trying to do a video twice a week, so Wednesdays and Sundays. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. But until next time, I'll catch you guys later.